Probably another SVR. Yes! This is probably for Lee and Ogle. That's the storm earlier.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Daviess County, northwestern Stevenson County,
Never mind.
At 5:45 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Shelbyville, or 11 miles south of Darlington, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
I think it's that storm.
Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel.
Oh, doubleheader incoming.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Warren, Scales Mound, Apple River, Winslow, Nora, Wadhams Grove, Canyon Camp, Lake Lackawanna State Park, Apple River Canyon State Park, Apple Canyon Lake, Joe Daviess County Fairgrounds, and McConnell. Take cover now.
Yep. Doubleheader. This is for Ogle.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern and southern Ogle County until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oregon around 5:25 p.m. Stillman Valley around 5:35 p.m. Rochelle and Hillcrest around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Creston and Davis Jones.
What now?
Including the following interstate.
Oh, that's the SVA update, I guess.
And 114. I-88 between mile markers 75 and 82. This includes Castle Rock State Park. Take cover now. Here is
That's it for that.